right, let's open our blending kit, Brew Your Own Potion Kit number 1. And it comes with full list of ingredients and all the necessary information, including a few instructions. And I have currently written the price on this, but you don't need to see that right now. Okay, and then it comes very beautifully wrapped up. And we're going to take this to the drum carder, or actually the blending board, and make some Rolags. So in this bag we have sparkle, we have different silks, and we have some bamboo. So those are our add-ins. And then this is the blue-faced Leicester in this gorgeous, gorgeous colorway. I think I had named this Serenity. So let's take this to the blending board and get started blending away. And you guys can tell me in the comments what you think about this set and how you would have done it differently.
So while I am laying out the blue-faced Leicester layer on the blending board, I would like to give new viewers a very warm welcome, and if returning viewers, welcome back. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos as they come out. And as always, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment section below. So I am not paying any attention to the colors for this particular batch of Rolags. I made, how many? I made at least 2, and I also turned this same kit into a bat, and those are in my store. So, the ones that haven't sold, that is. So I am, I really enjoyed playing with these colors, and it ended up being a gorgeous grayish color, which you could get totally different results by separating out the colors and then putting them on the blending board in sections. So the fibers in this kit are 2 ounces of BFL dyed in this gorgeous colorway, some silk, sari silk, and silk cloud, bamboo, and sparkle. So, and I think I forgot to put the sparkle in here. But anyways, it's just layer after layer after layer until I've got the board as full as I can get it, which takes about 1 ounce, 1.2 ounces, something like that. And then roll it off very carefully into Rolags. So I am going to turn some music on and let you enjoy the rest of this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.